Hey, man. Thanks for tuning in, man. Like and subscribe. Ezgo TXT here. Kawasaki engine. They got a problem with it. Sometimes it goes forward, sometimes it goes reverse. First thing you want to do is, this is one of your adjusters here for your cable. Alright. That's one of your adjusters. And then your other adjuster nut is back there. If you look at this one here, you can see on the end where the shifter is. You can see where it spins in the bracket a little bit. Alright. But either which way you're going, if you like, this is reverse here, so you're pulling the cable that way. So what you want to do there, you get your 3/4 inch wrench, break it loose if you got a problem going in reverse, and pull the cable this way. So loosen this one up and pull it that way. Then if you want to go forward, the cable's going toward the driver's side. So what you want to do there is loosen this one up. No, excuse me. Loosen this one up, tighten this one, and pushes the cable. It pushes the nut this way, and pushes the cable that way, which will get you forward. All right, man. Stay tuned, man. If you got any questions, man, like and comment. I help you out the best I can.